this setup and how I have my antennas placed has gotten me up to 650 meters today with no video loss whatsoever. Like, I flew all the way over there, about 650 meters out, and all the way back here, and I didn't get any display like outage on my VTX or on my goggles. That's crazy. So there it is. What I've done is essentially take the Avatar HD V2 dual antenna. I have moved the antennas to either side here, secured with zip ties for the time being. I have my GPS on the back and my ELRS connections on either wing in the back, with my visual transmitter and my GoPro, which I'm holding here. So I'm super excited. I'm super happy, like, finally have something that works as intended after months and months of building and problem solving. So yeah, let's check it out. I tried to do that again, but let's go sit inside because it is cold now. Okay, let's get all this inside here. Okay, so it just started raining when I was flying there, but yeah, I'll show you the VTX footage of it, show that I got connection on the drone. Rescue mode was ready to go, and I got out about 600 meters before I started seeing any sort of data loss in my goggles. So that's just super all around good information for myself to know that next time I fly, if there's ever any interruptions or, you know, obstacles in the way, this just happens to be like the best setup where I'm getting the best connection, and that's proof. That is absolute proof. So I might push it a little more. Maybe when it stops raining, I might push it a little more. See if I've never actually had my drone failsafe with GPS rescue. I'm kind of worried about it, but at the same time, I know it works. I've tested that. Yeah, we'll see if the rain dies down a little bit and go from there. Thanks for watching, guys.